Okay, guys, sorry, I had to pause. I had somebody come in my room and was talking to me. So now to pick up and finish this, now I'm going to have you write when given 2 points, the first thing, so pause and write this, you have to do is use the slope formula. So m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And then you're going to use the point slope formula. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So first thing you're going to do now, they gave me 2 points. They didn't give me m, so you have to find m first. So I'm going to do my formula, -1 minus 7 over 1 minus -3. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. -1 minus 7 is -8. And -1 minus -3, that's a double negative, so I change it and that becomes a 4. That will simplify down to -2. Now that I have it that's -2, I'm going to do y minus, and you get to pick a point. I would pick a point that has smaller numbers. So I'm going to box this point because it's going to be the one I'm going to use. So I'm going to do y minus -1 equals my m that I found was -2, open parentheses, x minus 1. Okay, now I have to change my double negative first and then just distribute. -2 times x is -2x, and -2 times -1 is +2. Bring down y plus 1 and bring down your equal sign. To get y by itself, subtract 1, and you get y equals -2x plus 1, and that's your final answer. Okay, for the second problem, you're going to have to do the exact same thing. So first thing you're going to do, you're going to take y2, which is -6, and you're going to subtract y1, which is -1, over x2 minus x1. Change your double negative. -6 plus 1 is -5, and 4 minus 2 is 2. This cannot simplify, so that is my slope. Now pick your smaller point. This is my smaller point. So I'm going to do y minus -1 equals -5 over 2 times x minus 2. Okay, changing my double negative and distributing. -5 over 2 times x is -5 over 2x, and -5 over 2 times -2. -5 times -2 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Bring down my y plus 1 equals. To get y by itself, I subtract 1, and I have y equals -5 over 2x plus 4. And that's my final answer. If you have any questions, please let me know.